This is lesson 5-4, the short version. If you would like more detail, you should watch the longer version. In this first video, I'm going to show you how to divide polynomials using long division. In order to show you how to do polynomial long division, I'm going to do regular long division as a reminder for how we do this. So in order to divide 21 into 672, you check and see how many times 2 goes into 6. Since 2 goes into 6 3 times, I'm going to put a 3 up on top. But since this is 2 digits here, I'm going to go over 2 digits and I'll put the 3 on top of the 7. Then we multiply 3 times 21 and we get 63. And then we subtract, we get 4. And then you bring down the 2 and you do it again. How many times does 2 go into 4? Twice. So 2 goes up top. Multiply 2 times 21, which is 42. And we subtract and we get 0. So 21 goes into 672 32 times with no remainder, which means 21 and 32 are factors of 672. So we're going to do exactly the same thing with polynomial long division. So we've got 2x. We want to see how many times it goes into 6x squared. And 2x divides into 6x squared 3x times. So I put it over the 7x because there were 2 terms here, so I come over 2 terms, put the answer above the 7x. This will also line up all of your linear terms in a column and all your constant terms and all your squared terms. So then we take 3x and we multiply it by 2x plus 1 in the same way that we multiplied 3 times 21 on our long division problem. So 3x times 2x plus 1 is 6x squared plus 3x. And then we subtract. But when you subtract, you're just subtracting each term from the term above it. So 6x squared subtracts and equals 0, so I'm going to leave that space blank. 7x minus 3x is 4x. Then just like I brought down the 2 on the left side, I'm going to bring down the plus 2 on the right side. Then I'm going to check and see how many times does 2x go into 4x. So 4x divided by 2x is 2. So I put a 2 over the constant term, and then I multiply 2 times 2x plus 1 is 4x plus 2. And then we subtract, and 4x minus 4x is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0, so we get 0. What that tells us is 2x plus 1 and 3x plus 2 are factors of 6x squared plus 7x plus 2 because the remainder was 0. So that was the short version on how to do polynomial long division. If you would like to see more, you should watch the longer version.